Let's work on today's technique. For more information, click on the link below. Welcome to GoodKnit Kisses. We're all about helping you stitch your love and love your stitches. This side edge is going to be lining up with this here. So I'm going to be picking up stitches from this edge. Now I'm right-handed, so I'm going to spin this around like this, and I'm going to be picking up from right here. So this is where I'm starting, and I can go ahead and start folding things in half and determining where that center stitch is. Okay, so between this marker and this one is where you would do 96. You would divide that in half, and that's the 48 stitches, but you're going to divide it in half again, and then that way you've got those 3 sections. So you can take 96 divided by 4, and that tells you how many stitches in each section you're going to get. So go ahead and mark your panel and meet me back up for picking up the stitches on this week 3 panel. Okay, so we've got our color A, and we're going to want to pick up these stitches just as we did before. We're going to yarn over and pull that on through right at this edge here. And now when I go along this line here, I don't want to pick up just one side stitch. I actually want to go in through 2. And it just so happens that where this little slip section is, it gives us a nice line. So I'm not going to go past this color A right here. So I'm going to go through and pick up these stitches evenly, go wrap around and pull that through and skip over, wrap around and pull through, wrap around, which is our yarn over, and pull that on through and continue going across. And if you notice that you've got too much, you're just going to want to take one out again and even that up, and you can skip over a few if you need to, if you find that your stitch count is not even. I went ahead and added an extra so that I know where 12 stitches are coming up, and I can check my work as again I did last time. I'm about halfway and I've got 7. That's enough. Now I know that I need to space these out just a little bit more. So continue going across until you have got all 96 stitches picked up and knit, and we will finish joining these 2 sections together. Thanks for joining us today, where we help you stitch your love and love your stitches. See you again soon.